Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel ApnaFUNDA Online. Welcome to Profit and Loss video 5. I hope you have watched our previous videos on profit and loss. I'm sharing the video links of the previous sessions in the description box in case if you haven't or if you have missed. I'm also sharing the playlist link of percentage videos in the description box. The concept of percentage is important to know to be able to solve profit and loss questions. In case if you are unable to follow, repeat the questions where you are uncomfortable and watch it again. Kindly subscribe to ApnaFUNDA online to ensure that you do not miss a single video on this topic. If you have any query, doubts or anything you want to tell us, you can mail us at hello@apnafundaonline.in. In the description box, there are also links to our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter page. Click on those links and follow our page for daily updates. Let's start solving. Keep your copies ready, take a pen and solve along with me. First question. Deepak paid a loss of 11% by selling a product. If he had sold the same product for rupees 600 more, he would have made a profit of 5%. What is the cost price of the article? Such questions will require certain calculations. So in this case, let us assume the cost price to be X. Now, firstly, there is a loss of 11%. So that is 11% of X, which is 11X by 100. So selling price becomes X minus 11X by 100. I hope you're able to follow. X is the cost price. Loss is 11x by 100. When we minus both of them, we get our selling price as 89x by 100. Okay. If he had sold the same product for rupees 600 more, he would have made a profit of 5%. Okay. So first let's add the profit of 5% on the cost price. This is 5x by 100. So my selling price in this case will become cost price plus profit, which is x plus 5x by 100. This is 105x by 100. I hope you are clear. Now, what we know is 89x by 100 plus 600 will give me 105x by 100. I hope you have got this expression correctly. You have understood. This was the selling price on which he made a loss of 11%. Had he sold for 600 rupees more, he would have made a 5% profit. So this is the expression that you should get. Now let's solve this. 600 is equals to 105x by 100 minus 89x by 100. So 600 is equals to 16x by 100. So x is equals to 600 into 100 by 16. This will be equal to 3750. This is the cost price and this is my answer. I hope you have solved along with me and this is the answer that you will get. These are simple questions. It just requires some basic calculations. You should be thorough with percentage. You should be thorough with the formulas of profit and loss. You will be able to solve such questions in minutes. Next question. Samir bought a phone at a certain price and sold it to Rupesh at a loss of 8% on his outlay. Had Rupesh paid rupees 1800 more for the phone, Samir would have made a profit of 14.5% on his outlay. How much did the phone cost to Samir? This is a similar question as per the previous question. We'll solve it in a similar way. So let's say the cost price at which Samir bought the phone, let us take it to be as X. He sold it to Rupesh at a loss of 8%. So there is a loss of 8%. So that means 8 by 100 into x. 8x by 100 is my loss. So my selling price becomes cost price minus loss, which is x minus 8x by 100. This will give me 92x by 100. I hope I'm clear up to here and you're able to follow. Had Rupesh paid 1800 more, Samir would have made a profit of 14.5% on his outlay. So let's say the profit of 14.5%. So this is 14.5 by 100 into x, which is 14.5x by 100. So selling price becomes cost price plus profit x plus 14.5x by 100. This is equal to 114.5x by 100. I hope you're able to follow. Now we'll come to the expression. This selling price and this selling price, the difference is 1800. So Samir sold the phone at a loss of 8%. This is the selling price. Had he sold for 1800 more, he would have made a profit of 14%. Correct? Now you should have this expression. Let's solve this. 1800 is equals to 114.5x by 100 minus 92x by 100. Correct? So 1800 is equal to just minus 114.5 and 92. This will give you 22.5x by 100. So x is equals to 1800 into 100 by 22.5. I hope you are able to follow. So this is equal to 8,000. This is the price at which Samir bought the phone. This is the cost price. This question, the last question, if you have not understood, watch both these questions again. Very simple questions, requires very basic calculations, very basic understanding of profit, loss, cost price, selling price. You should be able to solve all such questions. Please follow all my videos. You will be absolutely clear as to what is being done here. Next question. The MRP of a shirt is rupees 850. A customer pays rupees 734.4 for it after getting two successive discounts of 10% and 8%. Find X. So in this question, we need to calculate the second discount which the customer got for the shirt. So we know that the MRP of the shirt is 850 and the customer pays 734. So mark price is 850 and selling price is 734.4. Correct? Let's calculate the discounts that the customer has got. So on 850, the first discount that he gets is of 10%. So 85 rupees. So the price of the shirt becomes 765. But then he gave another discount and the final price becomes 734.4. We don't know how much is the discount. We don't know what is the discount percent, but we definitely know the final selling price and the price after the first discount. So the difference between both of them will be the second discount that the customer has got. So 765 minus 734.4 is 30.6. So discount percent will be 30.6 divided by 765 into 100. 4%. Easy question. I hope you have solved along with me. And this is the answer you have got. Next question. A ration shop seller is selling sugar at cost price but uses a faulty balance which calculates 1000 gram for 800 gram. What is the actual profit percentage? If you have seen the profit and loss video 2 and 1, we have discussed the formula that can solve such questions. If you have not seen, please do have a look, make a note of all the formulas. It will help you solve such questions fast. So the formula for solving such questions is error divided by true value minus error into 100. In this question, the error is 200 gram divided by true value is 1000 gram minus error is 200 into 100. So 200 by 800 into 100. 25% is the answer. I hope you have solved it and this is the answer you have got. Let us also understand the funda behind this question and solving such questions. Let's say 1000 grams cost price is rupees 100. So 800 gram cost price is 80. Correct? This is the cost price. But the ration shop seller is selling at the cost price, means he's selling 800 gram at 100. This is the selling price. So your selling price is 100, your cost price is 80. So profit is 20 on a scale of cost price 80 into 100. This will give you 25% profit. Next question. A ration shop seller is selling sugar by marking up at 40% and offering a discount of 10%. Besides, he uses a faulty balance which calculates 1000 gram for 800 gram. What is his net profit percentage? In this question, there are two components. The first component is where the ration shop seller is marking up the price and also offering a discount. And in the second part, he is using a faulty balance. Let's calculate the cost price first. Let's say 1000 grams cost price is 100. He marks up by 40%. That means 1000 gram cost price is 140. Then he gives a discount of 10%. So 1000 gram is 126. This is the cost price. This is the final price at which he's selling it. But he is selling by using a faulty balance. So selling price, what should be is 1000 gram for 126. But the customer is getting 800 gram for 126. So SP of 800 grams is 126. What is the cost price of 800 gram? It is 80. I hope you agree. If 1000 gram of sugar is 100, if that is the cost price, then 800 grams should be 80. So the profit is 46 rupees and the profit percent is 46 by 80 into 100. I hope you agree. I hope you follow. So my final answer is 57.5%. I hope you have solved along with me. You have been able to follow this. If you're not able to follow this, please watch this question and the last question again. It's very simple. You just need to understand the funda. And if you have solved it, this is the answer you will get. Next question. Amit had a smartphone worth rupees 20,000. He sells it to Ankur at a profit of 15%. After some time, Ankur sells it back to Amit at a loss of 15%. Find Ankur's gain or loss percent. This is a very simple question. So Amit's cost price is 20,000. We know that Amit's selling price is Ankur's cost price. Correct? I hope you agree. And in next part, Ankur selling price will be Amit's cost price. We are not concerned with Amit in that case. We just need to know the price at which Ankur bought the phone and the price at which he sold the phone. So when he bought the phone, there was a profit of 15%. So 15% of 20,000, which is 23, which is 3,000. So the final value at which he bought is 23,000. So his cost price is 23,000. He sells it back to Amit at a loss of 15%. So now there is a loss. So 15% loss will be calculated on 23,000. Correct. What is the value of 15% of 23,000? Correct. So his final selling price becomes 19,550. So this is his cost price. This is his selling price. So there is a loss 23,000 minus 19,550. The loss is equivalent to 3,450. So the loss percent is 3450 divided by 23,000 into 100. This is equal to 15%. I hope. Next question. A ration seller sells 3/5 part of the sugar at a profit of 10% and the remaining at a loss of 5%. If the total profit is rupees 1500, what is the total cost price of the sugar? This is a very simple question. Let the cost price be X. So the first expression that we see is he sells 3/5 of the sugar at a profit of 10%. Okay, so that means 3/5 sugar at a profit of 10%. Correct? And the second is remaining at a loss of 5%. So the second expression is 2/5 of X into 5 by 100. This difference gives me 1500. If you solve for X, you will get 37,500, which is the total cost price of the sugar. This is one of the way to understand and solve it. If you have been able to understand this topic very well, you will understand and solve it in this way. Now let me tell you how you should solve it. Let's say 1000 grams comes for 100 rupees. Okay. This is the cost price, selling price. Okay. First part is 3/5. 3/5 means 600 grams. 600 grams cost price becomes 60. But when you sell at a profit of 10%, 600 grams becomes 66. Similarly, remaining, which is 2/5, 400 grams, cost price is 40. But when you sell it at a loss of 5%, selling price becomes 38. So this is my selling price and this is my selling price. So your cost price is 100 and your selling price is 104. So profit is 4%. This is my profit. 4% is equals to 1500. So what is 100% equal to? I hope you are able to follow. If you have not understood, watch this video again. Repeat this question, solve it, use your own fundas, understand what I said, and solve it. If you have any query, you can mail it to me. I'll reply to you. Next question. The mark price of a watch was rupees 720. A man bought the same for rupees 550.8 after getting two successive discounts. The first one being 10%. What was the second discount rate? We've already solved a similar question on this. We'll solve it very fast. Mark price is 720, selling price is 550.8. We know this. The first discount is 10%. We also know that. So 720, first discount 10%, that is 720 minus 72. This will give me 648. After the first discount, the final price is 550.8. The difference between the final price and the price after first discount will give me the second discount value, which is 648 minus 550.8, which is 97.2. So discount percent becomes 97.2 divided by 648 into 100. This will give me 15%. I hope you have also got the same answer. You have solved along with me, and we go to the next question. A trader marked the price of his commodity so as to include a profit of 25%. He allowed a discount of 16% on the marked price. What is his actual profit percent? We know this. On the cost price, there will be a markup which will give me a mark price. On the mark price, there will be a discount which will give me the selling price. We'll solve it in this way. Let the cost price be 100. There is a markup. That means it includes profit of 25%, which means plus 25, mark price becomes 125. Then there is a discount of 16%. 16% of 125. That means minus 20. Selling price becomes 105. Cost price is 100, selling price is 105. So profit is equals to 5, and profit percent is equals to 5 by 100 into 100, which is 5%. I hope you have solved along with me. This is the answer. This is the answer that you must have also got. Next question. 40% of goods are sold at 10% loss, while the remaining is sold at 20% profit. If the total profit is rupees 640, then the worth of the goods sold is 40% of the goods are sold at 10% loss, while the remaining is sold at 20% profit. If there is a profit of 640, what is the worth of the goods sold? We'll solve it in the question we just saw two questions back. Let's say cost price 1000 grams 100 rupees. Correct? Selling price. Now let's come to selling price. 40% of goods. So 400 grams is 40 rupees, but 400 grams is sold at a loss, which is 36 rupees, loss of 10%. Next part, remaining. Remaining is 60%. 600 gram, cost price is 60, sold at a profit of 20%. So 600 gram, selling price is 72. We have the selling price, we have the cost price. Cost price is 100, selling price is 36 plus 72, 108. Profit is 8%. If 8% is profit equal to, if 8% is equals to 640, what does 100% equal to? We just multiply it by 12.5. Correct? If you multiply 8 by 12.5, we will get the answer 8,000 rupees. This is the worth of the goods sold. I hope you have solved along with me. You followed along. If you have not understood any question, please watch the videos again. Make yourself comfortable with each and every question. In our upcoming videos also, we are going to level up the questions. You should be thorough till now with each questions so that you can face bigger level questions from now. I end the video here. We'll solve more questions in our next video. So do not forget to watch our video on profit and loss. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. If you have any query, doubts, or anything you want to tell us, you can mail us at hello@apnafundaonline.in. You can also follow us on social media platforms for daily updates for Apna Funda online. Ensure you don't miss a single video on this topic. So kindly subscribe to our channel Apna Funda online and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Stay tuned to Apna Funda online for more educational videos. Thank you.